platelet count decrease in options A. Malaria, B. Filaria, C. Dengue, D. Typhoid. Answer option C. Dengue. Platelet count decrease in dengue fever. Rice water stool is a typical finding in case of options A. Cholera, B. Typhoid, C. Induced assumption, D. megacolon. Answer option A. Cholera. Typhoid pea soup stool, induced assumption red jelly stool, megacolon triple like stool. Time required to read Mondac test. Options A. 12 to 24 hours, B. 24 to 48 hours, C. 48 to 72 hours, D. more than 72 hours. Answer option C. 48 to 72 hours. Mondac test time period 48 to 72 hours. The greatest danger in breech presentation during labor: A. Prolapse of foot, B. Prolapse of cord, C. Prolapse of arm, D. Fracture. Answer option B. Prolapse of cord. When the combined duration of the first and second stage labor is less than 2 hours, the condition is called options A. preterm labor, B. precipitate labor, C. premature labor, D. labor at term. Answer option B. precipitate labor. Drug of choice is used for typhoid fever. Options A. ciprofloxacin, B. ceftriaxone, C. morphine, D. chloramphenicol. Answer option B. ceftriaxone. Ceftriaxone is used for typhoid fever. Drug of choice in neonatal jaundice. Options A. phenytoin, B. ceftriaxone, C. phenobarbital, D. sodium valproate. Answer option C. phenobarbital. Phenobarbital is used in neonatal jaundice. Toxic shock syndrome is complication of which vaccine? Options A. BCG, B. measles, C. tetanus, D. diphtheria. Answer option B. measles. Toxic shock syndrome is complication of measles vaccine. Antidote used for warfarin is options A. protamine sulfate, B. heparin, C. vitamin K, D. vitamin E. Answer option C. vitamin K. Test is done for ABG analysis. Options A. Adam test, B. Allen test, C. Widal test, D. Schick test. Answer option B. Allen test. Allen test is done for ABG analysis. Widal test is done for typhoid. Schick test in diphtheria. Most common method of oxygen is used in hospital is Options: A. Nasal cannula, B. Venturi mask, C. Non-rebreather mask, D. Nasal catheter. Answer: option D. Nasal catheter. Venturi mask, fixed and accurate oxygen delivery method. Non-rebreather mask, highest oxygen concentration delivered method. Nasal catheter, most used oxygen delivery method in hospital. Total number of cervical spinal nerve. Options: A. 6, B. 7, C. 8, D. 10. Answer: option C. 8. Joint between the cranial bones are known as. Options: A. Frontanels, B. Breccia, C. Sutures, D. Cranial lining. Answer: option C. Suture. Joint between the cranial bones are known as suture. Color code of CO2 gas cylinder. Options: A. Red, B. White, C. Blue, D. Grey. Answer: option D. Grey color. Oxygen gas cylinder, top white, stem black. Which of the following is used to assess the level of consciousness? Options: A. Apgar score, B. Braden scale, C. Glasgow scale, D. Snellen chart. Answer: option C. Glasgow Coma scale. Glasgow Coma scale is used to assess the level of consciousness. Which among the following is the clinical manifestation related to hypocalcemia? Options: A. Numbness and tingling sensation, B. Troisier signs, C. Chadwick sign, D. All the above. Answer: option D. All the above. Janani Suraksha Yojana was launched on. Options: A. 1st April 2004, B. 12th April 2004, C. 12th April 2005, D. 1st April 2004. Answer: option C. 12th April 2005. So, maternal and neonatal care. Breast self-examination is considered to which type of level of prevention? Options: A. Primordial prevention, B. Primary prevention, C. Secondary prevention, D. Tertiary prevention. Answer: option C. Secondary prevention. Commonest cause of postpartum maternal death in India. Options: A. Hemorrhage, B. APH, C. Respiratory distress, D. Hypertension. Answer: option A. Hemorrhage. Hemorrhage is a common cause of postpartum maternal death in India. Incidence of ectopic pregnancy highest with. Options: A. Oral contraceptive pills, B. Copper T, C. Mini pills, D. Progesterone. Answer: option B. Copper T. Copper T is an intrauterine contraceptive device. Ectopic pregnancy. pregnancy in which the fertilized egg implants outside the uterus. The most heat resistant and heat sensitive vaccine is options A. TT and DPT, B. TT and OPV, C. DPT and MMR, D. OPV and measles. Answer option B. TT and OPV. Most heat resistant vaccine is tetanus toxoid. Most heat sensitive vaccine oral polio vaccine. BCG vaccine unconstituted should be used within options A. 2 hours, B. 4 hours, C. 6 hours, D. at the end of dose. Answer option C. 6 hours. Dilute used for BCG is options A. distilled water, B. normal saline, C. dextrose solution, D. Ringer's lactate. Answer option B. normal saline. Dilute measles for distilled water. As per WHO, blindness is if visual acuity less than options A. 6/18, B. 6/24, C. 3/16, D. 6/16. Answer option C. 3/16. According to WHO, normal visual acuity is 20/20.